friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this I'm going to answer one of the most requested question that hi Sai, did you order the Realme GT Neo 2 or not? So these are the comments which I'm getting on the Realme GT Neo 2. The main reason is because this Realme GT Neo 2 is going on in the sale during the Flipkart festival sale, and a lot of users they want to buy this device because of the low price and offers which the Realme GT Neo 2 has got, even though there is a lot of changes with the pricings. But finally I did order the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes, I did order, and very soon I'll be expecting the product as well. And one request for you all, in case if you're planning to buy the Realme GT Neo 2, just wait for 2 days of time. So the sale will be going on till I think 23rd of October. So till then you do have the time. So before that we'll definitely come into the conclusion what is happening with the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the performance wise. So is the performance Realme GT Neo 2 is really good or not when compared with other Snapdragon 870 chipset from the iQOO devices? That's what I'm going to exactly compare with those phones, and which I'm really interested to test this phone in terms of the camera capabilities as well. So how is the camera comparing with the iQOO 7 device? All these things I'll definitely do the in-depth testing on this Realme GT Neo 2. So that's why I did ask you guys, friends, just wait for 2 days. Within the 2 days and before the 23rd of October, you will get the results about this device A to Z. I'll try to upload in my channel. And thank you for all your support and all your comments. So which I did get a lot of users asking me to buy this phone. That's why I did buy the phone for you all. So delivery is expected on the 21st of October, but one thing is that I might receive the product before itself, maybe close to 19th or I think 20th or maybe 18th as well. So sometimes I'm receiving the products very early, so maybe I might receive this product very soon before this date. That's one thing which I can definitely say that. And the cost is exactly 25,499, which I did play during the exact sale which went off yesterday around 12 o'clock. And after 10 minutes, the price has been increased. So which we do know yesterday, a lot of changes has been happened with the Realme GT Neo 2 regarding the pricings. So many off. Before there were 3 SBI credit card offers, and after some time, after 10 to 15 minutes, it went out of stock. And again, the offers got completely changed. They removed the one of the SBI card offer. And later again, they removed one more SBI card offer as well. Again, at night time, they did add one more 750 off again. As you can see, there are a lot of price changes happening in the Realme GT Neo 2. But apart from that, definitely friends, I'm really interested to see how well this phone gonna perform under my intense kind of testing. That's what I'm really interested to test. So mainly 3 things I'll try to test in the Realme GT Neo 2. First thing, how is the heating is managing in this phone? How is the cooling system when compared with the Snapdragon 870? Because they do claim they are having largest cooling system in their phone, which is covering the 68% of the motherboard and 42% of the battery, so etc. But still I just want to see how well it's compared with the iQOO 7's cooling system, because iQOO 7 Snapdragon 870 is really cool. It doesn't get much heat as well in this device. I want to compare with this both phones intense testing. The word intense testing means I hope you understand how will I test the devices. So I'll try to do that kind of testing in short amount of time, and you will be able to decide whether to buy this phone or not. Again, I'll try to test even the cameras as well. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries on this Realme GT Neo 2, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do this kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all your support. Only because of your support only I was able to buy this few phones. I cannot buy all the phones which are available in the market. I wish I could have got the review units or something, but still I'm doing my best to buy the phones which has been requested by my subscribers who are really confused. So thank you friends for following me, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.